Alright, this is Missy the Prepper. This is a video response to Aunt Duddy's Tag Everyone XHTF Skills Contest. This will probably be my first video on YouTube, and what you're looking at is my garden. I got a really late start, so everything's just green and blossoms. I wasn't going to plant this year. But on this end, this is where Oscar, my husband, ran over one of my shallots and some of my sugar beets. Go figure. And he says his skills are whining, complaining, just like you, Aunt Duddy, and me. I am his skills. That's because I'm the one that gardens and cooks and cleans, and has proven on more than one occasion that I can survive without electricity. I just need water and shelter. I'm the hunter, I'm the canner, quilter, weaver, knitter. I grow chickens. That's my dad's dog Roscoe, raising Cain in the background. Sorry about that. He wants attention. Go figure. And I'm the one that I'm the one that works outside the house because Oscar's disabled. I'm the one that does pretty much everything. I have even proven that I can take 2 buckets and wash clothes without any electricity. So if we can just figure out how to get us a couple of small things we need, like a pressure canner, then we'll be pretty much set for whenever it happens. We continue to stock up when we can. There's not a whole lot of money with me being sole support, and there's 4 of us in the house, so we do what we can. But thought I'd send that response since you tagged everybody. Thank you.